Hi guys, how you doing? This is Coach Jess from Renaissance Nutrition. I'm really excited to tell you about 3 new products that we have put together. After looking at our clients and hearing some of the things that they struggle with, we have put together what we think will really help all of our members reach their health and wellness goals. All right, so the first one is going to be regarding meal planning. So we definitely see that clients who track their food and really know what they're putting into their body have a lot more success with their weight loss goals than those who don't. But sometimes it can be a little bit challenging to figure out how to get your food into MyFitnessPal and then how to make all the macronutrients balance. So you've heard me say in the past, we're looking for that 40% carbohydrates, 30% protein, 30% fat. But how exactly do you go about doing that, especially when you're using your recipes and your food preferences? So what we will do is sit down and you'll tell me what you prefer to eat. We'll look at some of your favorite recipes and maybe make some tweaks. And then I will go ahead and load your weekly meal plan into MyFitnessPal and balance the macronutrients for you. So this really makes it an easy step and kind of takes away that barrier where maybe you just wouldn't track your food if you didn't have the service. All right, so that's a really great one that I really think a lot of people can take advantage of. The second, for those of you who maybe the thought of going grocery shopping and figuring out what whole foods should I buy, what does that mean, how to read food labels, we can do a little bit of an excursion. So we'll go to the grocery store, we'll shop together, we'll shop the perimeter of the grocery store and look for those whole food options. And then we can look and see what are maybe some of the choices that you like that are in the center aisles, and they're the ones with the preservatives and the additives and the ingredients that you can't pronounce, and maybe what substitutions can we make to help you move more towards whole foods in your diet. And then the last product that we have put together is for the meal preparation piece. And so this again is something that can be challenging, especially when you're just getting started. So meal planning or meal prep is something that's really important. It helps us get ahead of our goals for the week so that all we have to do when we get into the week is grab and go on those meals and know that we're going to hit our nutrition plan. And so I'll come to you and we'll cook together, and you'll see how I organize myself in order to get in and out of the kitchen on that meal preparation day and set yourself up for a great week. All right, so I hope that if you have any questions, please reach out to myself. You can email me at jessica@crossfitrenaissance.com. You can book a no snack intro online if you would like to sit down and hear more about the details of the plans, or feel free to reach out to Jen and Bill to hear a little bit more. I really hope that these help you move towards your goals and hope you take advantage of them.